All right, now that's coat of primer. All done. Now we're gonna take it apart. Boom. After it dries off real good, next couple days we're gonna take it apart. Take the whole front apart. Put the new hinges on, align the doors, and start painting. Start painting door jambs. We're almost there, man. Almost there. Boom, boom, boom. All right, driver's dog, driver ready, driver's side ready. Driver's side ready. Nice gaps. It's all about them gaps. On the door. Still lined up. Your hinges in. Your hinges in. Huh? How about that? Huh? Shit. Huh? How about that? One more time, one more time, one more time, one more time for the people in the back. Right? Now we gotta take them back apart. We're doing the door jams, door jams. Door jams, baby. One more time for the people in the back. Boom. We put them back on, then I gotta line the glass. So, but that's the last one. We put everything back on. We're ready. Almost there, man. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Boom. Right? We're sanding. We're sanding for now. We're sanding. We're sanding. We're sanding. We're sanding to give it the last coat. Last coat of clear coat. After that, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? And then we're sanding now. It's gonna be an all-day job right there. There's the mirrors, mirror panel, hood, coat back pieces, bumper fillers. Yeah, everything getting that last touch. Woo. And the west side.
Ooh, shit. This motherfucker came out beautiful. Beautiful. I know it's been a few months, but back with a completion. Huge shout out to my boy PC. This came out dope. Got the matte color match on the molding. Shout out to trim lady. She got all the trim cleaned up, polished. So every piece, flawless. Everything. Color is a custom mix. So please don't be in there talking about color code, please. It ain't no one. My boy Sandman helped me out. Got the bumpers re-chromed. Guards re-chromed. This motherfucker looks good. Can't wait to take it outside, let y'all see the color out there. So we'll call this one charcoal green. It's like a green gray. You see we got the real chrome on there now. I've been talking about it for 3 years, but finally there. Extremely pleased though. You know how easy it pop open now. Like a brand new car. Sandman jewelry. Easy, easy. And we took it all apart. As y'all be able to see in the video, I'm gonna add some other clips in there. But paint everywhere, no dusting. Go take it outside, let you see how it hit in the sun. Now hop back on here. Moment of truth there, boy. Ooh, shit. Oh yeah, that's a hit. That's a hit there. God. Man, that's fucking beautiful. And it's crazy, I came out here and seen it in the sun before it got done. Man, I mean, body lines is super, super straight. Crispy. Yeah, this gonna be a fun one. Just a little bit of that extra metallic in it. But then out here outside the sun, it looks real calm, real clean, real grown managed. No blotches. Super clean. Super clean. So now I have to get some pictures and videos and wrap this one on up, man. Get on back home. Hopefully we can get her done by Christmas as far as all the other stuff, but you know, with the holidays rolling around, we're gonna be fighting with scheduling issues with everybody. But yeah, definitely all appreciate the whole process. He sent me updates. Didn't have to ask for him, didn't have to chase him. Stayed on timeline. Our whole goal was to make it a SEMA. We didn't make it, so I told him to take his time and let's get all the little bitty stuff see how I go though.